ABC Limited's shares are currently selling at the rate of 13 rupees per share. So the current price is 13. There are 10,000 shares outstanding. It means that presently 10,000 shares have been issued. The firm is planning to raise rupees 20,000 to finance a new project. So the company is considered to raise 20,000. First question is, what is the ex-right price per share and value of the right if the firm offers one right share for every 2 shares held? The firm offers one right share for every 4 shares held. So we can see that there are total 4 questions. Ex-right price per share in case of the 2 shares offered for 1 share. Ex-right price per share in case of 1 share is offered for every 4 shares. And value of the right in both the situations. So there are 4 questions. Try to do answer on your own. Let us see. Please write an answer. The first question is ex-right price per share. Write an answer. Working note number 1. Calculation of value of the firm in total after a right issue. In the write-down, current value plus amount received. We can see that right now there are 10,000 number of equity shares. Market price is 13. That comes to 1,30,000. Plus amount received is 20,000. So in both the cases, value of the firm is going to be an amount of 1,50,000. That is what we understand. Working note number 2. Calculation of ex-right or post-right price per share. Let us see how to make the calculation of answer. We understand that there are 2 information provided to us. Right issue is offered 1 for every 2 shares and 1 for every 4 shares. So right issue 1 for every 2 and again a right issue in that 1 for every 4. That is the way we have been provided with the proportion. Okay. Now what will happen? We understand that the calculation will be made like this. Value of the firm divided by number of shares. What is the value of the firm? It is an amount of 1,50,000 divided by what is the existing number of equity shares? 10,000 plus 1 share for every 2 shares held. So what will happen? It is 10,000 into 1 divided by 2. So it is 1,50,000 divided by, we understand it's the 15,000 number of shares. And answer would be 10 rupees per share. This is what we understand. In case of the right issue, 1 for every 4 shares, even in that case the formula is going to remain same. It is value of the firm divided by number of shares. What is the value of the firm? It is an amount of 1,50,000 divided by the number of equity shares. It is 10,000 plus 10,000 into 1 by 4. That is 1 share for every 4 shares held. So it is 1,50,000 divided by 12,500. So the price per share is, what is the price? 12 rupees per share. That is what we understand. Chalo, please write an answer for the calculation of value of right. It will be calculated like this. Market price of share after right issue minus offer price divided by number of shares. That is the way we are required to calculate it. Now, again it is required to be found by, that is in both the situations. Right issue offered as 1 for every 2 shares, and over here right issue offered as 1 for every 4 shares. In the first case, what will happen, friends? It is 10 rupees per share minus, what would be the offer price? So 10 minus offer price, we are required to calculate the offer price in the first case. That is an amount of 20,000 rupees divided by the number of shares that you can issue. That is the number of shares which you are required to issue. That is an amount of 5,000. So 20,000 divided by 5,000, that comes to 4 rupees per share. The same will be divided with the number of shares based on which the right is given 2. Please write an answer. So what will happen? It is 10 minus 4 divided by 2. So it is 6 divided by 2. That comes to 3 rupees per share. That is what we understand. Next, in case of 1 for every 4 shares, it will be 10 minus 20,000 divided by the number of shares are 2,500. That would be issued divided by number of shares based on which the right is offered is 4. So 20,000 divided by 2,500. What is answer? 8. So 10 minus 8 divided by 4. That comes to over here the price is 12. So 12 minus 8, that is 4 divided by 4, that is 1 rupee per share.